husband and I really love LeafSide. He and I have been long-term Dr. Greger fans. You know, the Dr. Greger using the Daily Dozen and all that. We had the app in the past, to use that to kind of get in the habit of incorporating those foods. So it's wonderful to know that that's all built into those meals. The staple of our diet now. We feel better. My husband and I were already fit, but we each lost a couple pounds just switching to LeafSide. Our joints feel better. I mean, as we get older, I feel like we're reverse aging. I feel like we're less aches and pains, more able to get out there and tackle those things. And we've referred several friends already. So the way we describe it is organic, whole, plant-based food that comes all ready to go in a packet. You just either add hot water or whatever you want. So basically a meal ready to go. LeafSide is every day, if not lunch and dinner, lunch or dinner. So I had seen actually advertisements for LeafSide on Instagram, and I was like, I don't know about the adding the water. But I'm a research person, so I went through the website pretty good. I got to tell you, my heart just started to sing as I read. So I said, you know what, let's give this a try. And boy, we just fell in love